Polygon is a close for girl.
For girl, what the clat you talk say? Close figure! Jesus Christ! Yeah.
Miss a girl.
Stop and put me. You want me tell you stuff to say?
This miss. You see, after this a corona thing, the whole of Uno turn Bellevue patient. You see, we now, Uno turn dance bat, rap bat, cricket bat, tennis bat. The whole of we are going to turn some part of bat teacher. And you need to do this online thing now, teacher. You need to stop it now. Because we in a band last year, this year now, then I need no do. No joke, teacher. I'm in a business if you want to tell the principal. We don't make you turn dance bat already. We dance already. We get more.
Ready? Alright, this is Solainie. Remember the 4th of March. The 5th is my birthday, but I keep my birthday on my 9 night. The 4th, that means the next week, Thursday, is my 9 night. Come on, see my 9 night to look. Everybody keep them 9 night when they dead. Me I keep my one when me alive. That's when me dead, nobody keep no more. Just keep set up and bury me. You understand? So this is to miss. Remember, write a world boss, and yes, I they come shell it. You understand? 100 lane talk.
Can we stop at McDonald's and we get something down the road for eat?
You got McDonald's money? Don't we have something to eat at home? Sit your ass back and wait till we get home and eat.
Reggae music is the backbone of Jamaican culture. So how come we can't get to own enhancement fund, like say tourism, to develop the music and push the industry forward? Full time now the government give you the support we need. Look how much impact dancehall and reggae music have.
You want to kiss in the public, you want to hold hand, you want to squeeze ass. This man do everything. I don't know what he must do when he look for me, you know. But this is every day. This is every day.
Every day. Us every day.
This is every day. We're like this all the time. No matter feel like we
okay,
yeah.
Attempt 12. Bend the corner.
I can flavor so delicious. Our rich magnificent nutrition. Island Dairy is the very best. North, south, east, and west.
Oh, sorry. That little pizza, yeah.
Excuse me, officer. Sorry for bother you. I just want to know if you still give me the ticket. Or I must just... Alright. Alright, you wait. You just wait because you have my license anyways.
Hold up. What is going on in Jamaica? No man march. January and February now have nothing for you. Disclaimer. Anything a man will do in a better film business. But in a government vehicle, that is a different story. Police and thief in a eat out. No, brother, me never know some man could have done them thing there, so. Right now, the brother, I need for them on a commercial. Arby's, you eat the meat. Right now, them need for remix the carnival song. When you see it in your face, poke it down. And you know when you expect for him stop when you look up and see the camera, you don't think a door you watch. Yum 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 yum. Delicioso. Yo, me not lie me G, you invent that. You. Fun and joke aside, left a man alone. Hey, you can't lock off no party at Jamaica again, you know. I don't want you mention social distancing to nobody. And you see the next topic? I stay silent about that.
Answer that publicly because people gonna see it. You understand what I mean, brother? Because guess what got me now? Guess what got me now, footer? And I can't talk to yo because sometimes when everything good feet good for talk, footer. You hear me? I tell you.
I just one thing we want to know still.
Yeah.
If him in a crew or not, still. That's all.
And wait I go do. Him not in the crew. Alright, him not in the crew.
Good. Okay,
wait
thank you. Fair.
Him not in the crew. So you will stop talking about it tomorrow? Him not in the crew.
Me not business. Me a talk about him without ravers.
Footer, hold on. Him not in the crew. You will stop talking about it tomorrow?
No, me a talk about silent without ravers. Who that?
I have to answer that publicly because people gonna see it. You understand what I mean, brother? Because guess what I mean now?
What the thinking germs in wife that? No boy can send me on my bed. No boy. No boy can know that. They don't care about the prime minister, they don't care about no blood clot boy from the kid. No boy can send me on my bed. I want to go fucking tell me that I want to try.
We are ready to die for Jesus. And if you want to stay at the lack of the four mask, why of us worshiping God? He's all over the world. Hey! The Holy Ghost is against you. You leave out and give a chance to speak. You come back in the congregation. Do not speak to my congregation. You're responsible for down here. The Holy Ghost is your come to the church.
Hello.
Yes, may I help you?
Officer.
Yes.
Wagwan.
I'm here.
What are we on the hand taste good?
What are you talking about hand taste good?
No, officer, which way if I want to cook what they are, may I tell you some liquor a bit 10 finger them.
No, hello, this is the second time you're calling now. You're annoying us, you know. You don't think we have work to do. What you want?
So officer is a problem for call.
No, but you call already. You don't need to call again. We get the point.
So officer, I'm not my credit can't call
We get the point.
I can't call again.
This is not a credit matter. This is
Officer, I'm asking something. Is your phone or my phone?
No, that's your phone, but this is our phone.
Is your phone or my phone?
This is our phone, and that
so
is your
all you
phone.
got to tell me say me can't take my phone and call when me want to call.
All right, lady, talk. Go ahead and talk.
Let me talk or me talk?
Yeah, go ahead and talk.
Officer, I'm not tell a lie.
Well, listening.
Then hear what I say now. I say she's chicken back the other day.
The what?
They chicken back. Me no know what I put in it, but it have me right now. Not never turn me on so in all my life.
That is too much information now. I don't need to know chicken back turning you on. Really? Really?
Officer, I chew the balls. No, officer, I could even spit out no bone. Come like as a grind and me have no belly.
You swallow the whole bone?
Me not tell you, sir. I will cook it. Is Officer Brown?
You don't fret about who cook.
No, if Officer Brown, me want no Officer Brown.
Okay, alright, that's enough.
Because Officer Brown look like him do good with fingers.
Alright, that's too much information right there now.
But I want to never like the officer. Why have to crush the banana?
I don't understand this person.
I like the banana them older.
I don't understand this person.
Because if the banana them older, I know what to do with them.
Okay, we're going to hang up the phone now. We're hanging up the phone now.
Officer older now.
No,
Officer, that's older. Give me a second now. I can't talk like a bit.
Yes, speak. Go ahead and speak. But please, keep it clean.
Officer, you're busy right now?
Yes, I'm busy writing up some reports, and as a matter of fact, you're holding up time.
Then officer, make a report about this now. Officer, dumpling them tight. Them dumpling they remind me of me.
No, you really have me speechless at this moment. I really don't know. I'm at a loss for words.
No, I'm not telling you lie.
I can't believe what I'm hearing right
Officer, big up on yourself.
You're traumatizing my ears.
Officer,
really?
big up on yourself because
yes, you
see when you're up on the outside and you hear things about the inside.
Yes.
You better come on the inside so you can go back on the outside. You talk. I'm not telling you lie.
Hey, teacher.
The plane does crash with the coke. I never put it in my nose. Sell it like, yo, skilly. Can't believe. I want you send. Give thanks, same way, hear that? Cause I play in the scratch of the coke. Bumbuckler. Hell yeah! Rich now. Man rich. Yeah. Can buy more kicks now. Send one more. Right, my guy.
Hello?
We have your wife hostage. We need 50 grand by end of the year. We have bust her throat.
Don't kill her, don't kill her. I have the money in my wallet. Don't hang up. Yo, my boss, she forgot dead today because my boss here, this cigar.
At the end of the day, we still have. I know a country that has legalized abortions ain't talking. Philippines got your own beaches. Yikes. Is it 8 p.m. yet? Almost y'all bedtime. Going to the house. Once again? Oh, because I thought a country that had 2 security breaches in less than 2 months said something. You don't realize that the only thing elevating in y'all economy is the price of patty? $2.50 for a cheese patty? Really? Oh, I can't hear you right now. I'm busy getting vaccinated. Y'all got more murders than the days of the months. And the year just starts. Why are you entertaining us? Don't y'all have customs to go and cry to? Can $100 buy an ice mint down there? All electricity and internet providers raise their rates in a parallelitapodorium. Are y'all okay? What's the exchange rates again? 150 to 200 USD? Is you guys country that had like $30 million disappear from a high school, right? You guys were internationally praised for your handling of COVID. What happened?
Culture and Rasta. And he said, Jano did, Jano did. Jano did. Zamunda. Yes, Selassie, I love you. Ms.Rona. Yes, Selassie, I love you.
Who is Selassie, Pops?
Yes, Selassie, I love you.
King of Kings, Lord of Lords.
No. You're wrong. Wrong. No.
King.
No.
Feed.
No.
Food.
You're
Feed.
Jesus.
You know what?
Listen me.
Addis Ababa, 2nd of November 1930. Addis Selassie.
Are the crown king?
Selassie dead. Selassie is not kings of kings and lords of lords. No, make me have it out, Zamunda. No. No. Listen me. Selassie was a prophet, yes, but in
Love you, Natalia, my girlfriend. I love you, girl. I'll give you lots of flowers, girl.